that controls soil erosion in our nearby community, Uganda. Follow-up questions. Which measures can be taken to control soil erosion? Which materials can be used to control soil erosion? What could be the cause of soil erosion? Who will benefit from the control of soil erosion? What will be the impact of controlling soil erosion? Problem being addressed. There have been an increase in soil infertility due to poor agricultural methods such as overcultivation, overgrazing, overstocking, and this has resulted in too low yields, heavy famine, and poverty. This problem has been evidenced in Uganda, some parts of Mubende district, and Kweshu district in western Uganda. It was discovered that 79% of areas in Uganda villages are affected by soil infertility. Besides Uganda
That is the supervisor.
estimates suggest that soil degradation affects around 60 to 70% of Ugandans. Goal. For farmers and other people to produce high yields compared to the yields they have been harvesting by carrying out practices like mulching, crop rotation, manuring, afterling, and even weeding. Target audience beneficiaries. Farmers in Uganda village, students in High-West Uganda, parents, entire country, running activities, composing poems, making posters, making demonstrations on planting elephant grass. Stakeholders, teachers, group members, farmers. Reasons. Teachers are for guiding us through their activities. Group members to develop ideas and participating in the activities. Farmers to assist us with the idea of soil management.
Asante sana.